Hi, I'm Meredith with Gator Metal Roofing, and we're here talking with Miss Pierce about her recent upgrade to a Gator Metal roof. So you have a beautiful home here. What made you pick Gator Metal Roofing?
Well, the biggest thing was the safety. I feel so much safer with the metal roof. I had some damage to a tile roof, and thinking about replacing tiles and having to go through the insurance and all that stuff, it just seemed like it was a waste of time.
Right.
Because I could have a metal roof and feel so much better, have that assurance that I was going to be okay. I'm out here, with a lot of wind, and there's not a lot of windbreaks over here.
Right.
And when I had that damage before, it was really scary, even though it wasn't as bad as some of the storms I've had since then.
Right.
But I haven't worried about it since then.
Yeah.
I'm very satisfied with it. It looks great.
That's amazing. Yeah. And how did you hear about us specifically for metal roofing?
I was looking at roof repair actually online, and Gator popped up, and so I started looking into it, and the more I read about it, the more I was convinced that yes, that was the way to go. Because again, of the safety and the guarantees.
And you had a shingle roof before, you said? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What differences have you noticed with a metal roof?
I've probably gotten like $30 less a month on my bill, which is significant.
Yeah, I'm curious, have you had any issues with your roof so far?
None.
Okay, great. And how has Gator Metal Roofing helped you feel more confident and secure in your new roof if you were to have issues?
I think that they would take care of me.
Good.
I had a great fellow come down here and talk to me about the benefits and things like that. I have the guarantees, and that's reassuring, as well as how long it will last.
Right.
I don't feel like I'll be replacing a roof every 2 to 3 years.
Right, for sure.
And with the mobile home, you're not sure what kind of quality you're going to get. That was another selling point for me. I felt like the metal roof would have more quality, more stability.
Right. And you mentioned the person who came out and worked on your roof. What was the installation process like for installing your new roof?
It was great.
Okay, great.
They were great. I didn't have any issues with them. They were very efficient, and it didn't take as long as I thought it might.
Amazing. All right, I got you. If you could go back to yourself before you began the process for looking for a new roof, what is one piece of advice that you would give yourself?
Going with the metal roof makes more sense than staying with the shingle roof, because of all the benefits that I've found with the metal roof. The safety, the quality, the longevity, and it also helps to be saving money on your utilities. That helps.
And then if you could give any advice to anybody who's currently looking for roofing, what advice would you give to them?
I would tell them to definitely look into Gator. That I felt like I was very fairly dealt with. I feel like I had a good price, and I was able to negotiate and came out with a deal that was good for me personally.
Great. So what was the final selling point that made you decide on Gator Metal Roofing?
Gator was locally owned and operated in the state, and they're not far from me. That was another big selling point, and probably a tipping point for Gator in general. They had an endorsement from a team here in North Carolina, and the reviews were wonderful, and they treated me right. They treated me right, and I felt like I came out very well in the whole process. Yeah.
Going back to the installation process, what was the quality of work like? So things like cleaning up the yard or how long it took?
It took only one day. I mean, it wasn't, they had the delivery of the supplies and materials, and the next day they were out putting it up. And they had it finished by the end of the day. And as they did clean up, I didn't find any metal or anything. You know, I didn't have to look around and all that stuff. It was great. I thought they did a good job. They were very professional.
And what was your experience like with your installation team directly?
It felt like that I had everything taken care of. I didn't have to mess with them much, and they were just here to do the job, and they did it. They did it well. They did it, you know, professionally, and they were courteous.
Thank you for talking with us, Ms. Pierce. Please like and subscribe, and we hope you'll learn more about Gator Metal Roofing.